Okay, so this is like I saw all these Biosphere videos online and I was thinking I might make one. So I went out to this local stream near my house, and as you can see it dried up, but there's this little pond left there. So I was looking inside and there's loads of stuff living in there, like small guppy fish, and there's fireflies and snails and everything. So I took a couple of bottles full of water. This is a small one, and I took another one, looking inside to see that there's no fish, because it's gonna be in this jar and I don't want any fish in there. They're gonna survive. Next thing I took was some mud from the bottom of the pond, and some moss and plants that were living in there. And I took from the surrounding area just some from the river bed or stream bed, some wood bark and driftwood, and you'll see later and that's the crazy thing from the bark. There's spider. Well, here's the jar. I'm at home and I'm filling the jar. This is the dirt I took from the surrounding area, some water plants, because I do need some oxygen for the critters that are gonna be having their time in there. And this is now the bark, which had spiderweb on it, and you'll see later what it does. I'm talking straighter things. This is insane. And then there's this driftwood that I'm putting in here. There, that's it. Making some space there. And then all I had left to do was just to fill it up with, you know, the pond dirt that I took with all the critters and animals. See, my guppies on the back are looking at it, going, "What the hell are you doing, man?" Yeah, they're not happy. They're all looking at everything. Okay, so I put this in and then just filled it up with water all the way. The water from the pond, because it's filled with, I don't know, bacteria and the critters that go there, and I don't know, probably shrimps or I don't know. And then I closed it up. Again, I'm not a biologist. I don't know any of these critters, and you're gonna have to help me out, probably in the comments. Write down what I'm seeing. And then I put the date on the top there, which is June 18th, 2019. And then you have to wait. So like, I don't have much patience, so this is like 10 minutes later. It's still all, you can't see anything inside yet. But a couple hours later, and there you go. And there's this snail which had some spiderweb attached to the back of it, as you can see. But he's fine. He's like going upstairs because of all the muck powder. And then we're going to turn up the next morning and look, everything went down. And there's our snail, is still there, is doing its thing. And I took that jar outside, and look at this, look at the bottom. That's Stranger Things, man. Look at all this landscape there with the spider web on it. And so I wait a bit, and this guy shows up. I don't know what it is. Again, if you know, please let me know in the comments. Be really happy and thankful for you writing me down. I think he's crawling towards the lights, which is good, and it's like, go toward the light, man. And he's doing this thing. And push. That's right. So I keep looking, right? I'm loving this thing, all the critters and stuff living inside. I was amazed actually to the amount of things. And this is the next day. Again, I took it out. Our snail is still in there. And then I see this guy. This is crazy, man. I don't know what it is. Maybe a firefly larva or something. But look at it. It's just like standing there, waiting for, I don't know, just to attack something and kill it. Probably. I don't know. Let me know again if you know what that is. Please write down in the comments. I'll be really happy for that. or thankful for that. I'd be really thankful for that. Look at him. And all these white dots there, I don't know if it's dirt or small crustaceans or whatever. And then there's this thing on the bark or on the driftwood, which is just sitting there. I don't know if it's alive or it's, I don't know, with the golden head thingy, probably a mite or something. I don't know what it is. So I keep looking, and I'm going down up to the water line, and there's this, I guess, bloodworm doing its little dance there. It's really funny. They're doing it all the time. Check out the waves, man. Yeah. Anyways, this is it for now. I'm really happy with the way it came out. The whole Stranger Things biosphere. Great landscape, great biosphere. I'm gonna let it sit now for like a couple of weeks and then do another update, let you know who survived and who's new and what's up and how it's going. And if you're still here, thank you for bearing with me and seeing this. Look at this, look at this. Great stuff. Alright, see you guys all later. Thank you.